Good morning, students. Welcome to the maths class. Now, open your textbook. We will start today, chapter 4, that is addition and subtraction. Page number 36. Put the finger on the first paragraph, that is thing. In Juslin's town, there are 27,023 adults and 1,567 children. 1,400 adults and 1,200 children went out of the town on 23rd March 2015. What was the total population of the town on 23rd March? What was the population on 22nd? If all of them were present in the town that day. Can you solve it? Yes, of course we can solve it, and we will learn in this class how to solve these sums. Recall. We know the addition and subtraction of 4-digit numbers. Let us recall the steps followed. Step 1. Arrange the numbers one below the other according to their places. For subtraction, ensure that the smaller number is placed below the larger number. Start according or adding or subtracting from the ones place. So in the first 2 points he tells us that for first we have to arrange the numbers. Any digit, it may be 4-digit numbers, 5-digit number, you have to place them according to their place value. You know the place values. The smallest one is the ones place and the largest one is 1000 or 10,000. Now, second point, he says always start adding or subtracting from the ones place only. And for the subtraction, be sure that the greater number is written on the top, and below that only the smaller number we have to write. We can't subtract bigger number from the smaller number, so always place the bigger number on the first line and the smaller number in the second row. Step 3 on page number 37. At every stage, see if regrouping is required and then add or subtract. Step 4. Write the answer. Now, in front of you, 6 sums are given, 3 of addition and 3 of subtraction. The first one I have done for you, both in addition and subtraction. The first number is 4,216 and below it is 1259. So 6 in the ones place, we will start from the ones place, that is 6 and 9. We will add 6 and 9, that is 15. So we can't write 2-digit number in one box, so we will write 5 in below 9 and 1 on the top of 1. Empty boxes are given there, we have to write 1 there. So this is called as the regrouping. 2-digit number is there, the one we have to write down and one above as a carry forward number. It is said to be. So 5 plus 1 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. Then in the 100 place, 2 plus 2, 4. And last thousands place is 4 plus 1, that is 5. So your answer is 5,475. Now D1, below it, the subtraction one. Here the question is 7,452 and we have to subtract it 1,323 from it. So here bigger number is written on the top, that is 7,452, and below it the smaller number, that is 1,323. But see the digits in the ones column. On the top it is written 2 and below it is written 3. So we can't subtract 2 from 3. So what we have to do? We have to borrow it from the tens column. Tens column में से उधार लेंगे and then we have to write the number next to it. 5, we will cut that 5 and write 4 above it, and we will cut that 2 and write over 12. So now the new number is 12 minus 3 in the ones place. Answer is 9. And in the tens column, 4 minus 2. Answer is 2. 4 minus 3 1 and 7 minus 1 is 6. So your now the final answer is 6129. So both sums I have done. Now the remaining 4 sums, that is 2 for addition and 2 of subtraction, you have to do on your own. Don't ask anybody, first do it yourself. It is very easy. On page number 37, try to solve it so that you can understand the concept very well. Now moving on to the next paragraph, that is remembering and understanding. Addition or subtraction of large numbers is similar to the addition or subtraction of 4-digit numbers. We always begin addition and subtraction from the ones place. Yes, it is always the same. Addition or subtraction of 4-digit number is same as of the bigger number. Let's see an example of adding involving 5-digit numbers. Now, first we have done 4-digit numbers. Now here the 5-digit number, that is the 10,000 place value, is added in this sum. So first example, add 48,415 plus 20,098. So now put the finger on step 1. Add the tens and ones. Write the sum under the ones. Regroup if needed. Again, always start. Keep it in mind very well. Always start the sum. Whether you are adding or subtracting, start from the ones column. Ones column में से ही start करना है. Now, step 2. Add the tens and also carry forward, if any, from the previous step. Write the sum under the tens. Regroup if needed. And again he says, if regroup, 2 numbers are there, carry forward 10 to the next column. That number to the next column. And carry forward it again. Step 3. Add the 100 and also the carry forward, if any, from the previous step. Write the sum under the hundreds. Regroup if needed. In every step he is telling to regroup. Regroup means we have to carry forward that number. 2-digit number we are having, so we can't write 2-digit number in one column only. We have to regroup it. We have to carry forward that number. Step 4. Add the 1,000 and also carry forward from the previous step. Write the sum under the thousands. Regroup if needed. Now the thousands column we are adding and moving on to the last column, that is 10,000. Step 5. Add the 10,000 and also carry forward, if any, from the previous step. Write the sum under the 10,000. So your answer for 5-digit numbers now. Your question is 48,415 plus 20,098. Answer is 68,513. Now we have seen for the addition sum. Now similar with the 5-digit number, we will do the subtraction. 5 steps are given there and only one sum with all the 5 steps. अब हर स्टेप में देखेंगे only one sum. The same numbers are repeated by doing only one step in one column wise. The steps are done for you. So now moving on to the example 2, that is subtract 56,718 minus 16,754. Solution. First point, arrange the numbers in column. Very important. We have to first arrange the numbers in the proper place value so that we can easily subtract them. Step 1. Subtract the ones and write the difference under the ones. So here the ones column, the number is 56,718 and ones column is 8 minus 4. So your simple answer is 4. 8 minus 4 is 4. Now moving on to the step 2. Subtract the 10, that is 1 minus 5, which is not possible. We cannot subtract 1. We cannot subtract 5 from 1. a single digit 1. Regroup the 100 to the tens. Subtract and write the difference under the tens. So we have to borrow the number from the 100 column, that is written 7 under 100 column. We have to cut that 7 and write 6 over there, 6 above 7, and the new number in the tens column will be 11. Now we have to subtract 5 from 11, so the answer will be 6. Now third step, subtract the 100, that is 6 minus 7, which is not possible. Again, the smaller number from the bigger number. We can't do that. So we have to borrow it from the 1000 column now. 1000 column is having 6. So we will cut that 6 and write 5 above it. And we will take that 1 to the hundreds column. Now the new number in the 100 column is 16. So we have to subtract 7 from 16. So the answer is 9. Now step 4. Subtract the thousands, that is 5 minus 6, which is again not possible. So we will regroup the 10,000 to 1000. Subtract and write the difference under the 1000. Now we will cut that 5, take 1 from 10,000 column, and we will write 15 over there. So we have to subtract 6 from 15. So the answer will be 9 again. Now the last step. Subtract the 10,000 and write the difference under the 10,000. So now the question is 56,718 minus 16,754. So your final answer is 39,964. Now students, 4 sums are given on page number 38 and 39. You have to solve these sums, 4 of addition and 4 of subtraction. This will be your homework for today. Solve these sums in the textbook itself. Textbook में ही करना है. 3 pages का homework है. That is page, listen carefully, page 37, 38 and 39. You have to do all the 4 sums on each page in the textbook only. Do it properly, and then in the next class we will start with the workbook. Thank you for today.